My name is Knuckles, nigga. Niggas call me Knuckles, straight up. Yeah, my real name is Clyde, man. Straight up and down, man. Clyde Smith, nigga. I'm from the Wally era, nigga.
What's up, everybody? It's the Connect 860, and today I got a special unboxing for you. Let's get right to it. Just showed up today. Today is Wednesday, so it's only right. Woo Wednesday. We got the Wu-Tang Clark's Original, size 13. Let's see what's inside. Inside the box, we got the tissue paper. I didn't even get to see these yet. They just got here, like literally just got here. UPS is driving down the driveway as we speak. I said, let me get my camera and get right to it. It's Woo Wednesday. Let's see what we got. Once again, it's the Connect 860. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. And there it is. Let me get it out. The official Wu-Tang Tang Wallabee. You know what I'm saying? I told you guys I'm from the Wally era. You know what I mean? Be on the lookout for those shirts. Some people that subscribe to my Instagram, the Connect 860, they already know. Wu-Tang. Wu-Tang Wallabee. Now, I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but it's definitely a yellow mustard Timberland suede material. So clean. Brown leather trim around the ankle right here. You got your Wu-Tang hang tags. One leather, one that mustard Timberland yellow. Premium laces, wax, flat laces. Black gum bottom. Got the Wu-Tang stamp right there. These things is beautiful. I got another fresh pair of Wallies downstairs. It's the sand tan camel color. Those been around for a while, but I just picked up a fresh pair. You know what I'm saying? It's about the Wallies right now for me. Beautiful shoe. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, give you a first look at these. Not too many videos, if any, on YouTube of this shoe. Wu-Tang Tang Wallabee. It was available on this app. I stayed up, I set an alarm for it. Went to go try to log in and the app crashed the day of the the day of the release of these. So I thought I wasn't going to be able to get them. But I kept checking around for them, kept checking around. And lo and behold, I was able to get them for a great price during this holiday sale. It is December, so I'll consider this a Christmas pickup. So beautiful. Take this out, let's see the inside. Oh yeah. Got the Wu-Tang stamp on the inside. Yo, these is hot. These is dope right here. So once again, it's the Connect 860, giving you that first look. Wu-Tang Tang Wallabee, the official joints. You know what I'm saying? It's 2018, going in 2019. It's definitely the Wally era. Stick with me. Connect 860. Like, comment, subscribe. Woo Wednesday. Let's go.
My name is Knuckles, nigga. Niggas call me Knuckles, straight up. Yeah, my real name is Clyde, man. Straight up and down, man. Clyde Smith, nigga. I'm from the Wally era, nigga.